yo el tequila, paladeando su mezcal. Who's this?
Ooh, you want to look at yourself?
Oh man, look at me. Qué bonito. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Hakuna Matata. That's the name of the game. Alright, we're gonna do some crepas.
Okay.
Which is crepes in English, which for some reason is the same in French, crepes.
What you got here?
We got some flour. Oops, that's the wrong picture.
Disgusting.
Where is very simple recipe. A cup of flour.
Okay.
A cup of flour. A cup of flour.
Your sister's already hating it because she said that we should, when she was critiquing.
My sister doesn't even know how to read.
She said, maybe y'all should like have your stuff together. I'm like, girl, I'm barely starting. I don't even got my ring light. It's back ordered.
Tell her if she keeps criticizing me like that, I'm not gonna go bail her out of jail next time. That's what I'm gonna do.
No,
Cup of flour.
He said next time.
Yeah, the next time. 1 1/4 cups of milk. Who put away the milk?
Baby mama.
Which baby? I'm using a mix of white and whole wheat flour. And when you use whole wheat flour, you need more liquid.
Okay.
How much did I need? Oh. So I'm going to put 1 1/2. 1 1/2 cups of milk. The recipe called for 1 1/4 if you're using regular bleached white flour.
But these Mexicans mixed it up for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know why. That's why Trump hates us. We're all mutts.
Oh my goodness.
We're all mutts.
Okay. Tortilla chips out the way. Actually, I don't want to get them out the way. I'm just gonna.
Now people are gonna say, but that's just a pancake, Papi. Yes, it is. It's a thin pancake. What's the difference? Well, what's the difference between a thin girl and a fat one? Exactly. Come on. Am I right? All-purpose flour.
Excuse me.
Baking powder.
I haven't had anything
Not
to
baking
eat today.
soda, people.
So,
baking powder.
Chips and guac. Actually, no, my nephew made me 2 quesadillas, but
baking powder.
that's all I've had.
1 teaspoon baking powder. Oh, here's a nice
Tip.
trick.
What?
Look, you just do it like this. What a coincidence. No, stupid. That's why they put it there. Flat. Make it flat. What does baking powder do anyway? Who knows? But that's what the recipe says.
Wow. I used to bake. I should know that answer.
A teaspoon of sugar.
The sugar I just put away.
My God, I gotta bend over. I gotta take it like a man.
Should I mix it? I'm gonna mix it. Give me something to do.
This is boring. Let's spice it up. Is it sugar or is it cocaine? What? I hope it's sugar.
I mean, in a jar of salsa, labeled sugar.
Need vanilla.
Oh, pues.
You should show them the bottle of vanilla you got. Look, I got the baby sister.
No. Oh,
I
yeah.
don't have any.
I got the big one.
You got like a gallon of vanilla.
And it was
Boom.
only like $3.
$3? I don't think I can afford that all at once.
I'll let you do payment installments.
Well, it's not the payment that worries me, it's the kind of payment. I work for food. What kind of work? You want it loose. You want it loose. Now this, when you let it rest, it's going to absorb even more, so it's going to get a little thicker, so don't worry about it. What's the worst that can happen? You fuck it up.
What's the worst that can happen? You're messing up your quarantine food.
Why do we need salt?
Yeah, why do you?
To balance the sweet. Yin and yang.
Don't worry, people. That salt shaker no le sale nada.
It doesn't work.
Uh-huh.
It's like my my hot dog maker. Doesn't work too well. All right. It's a quarter teaspoon. A teaspoon.
Okay. We'll write the recipe on the description down below.
You're gonna write it. I ain't doing shit. Now you want to get rid of your lumps. That's what she said. How do I get rid of this lump?
Some big old lump.
I'm gonna have to go deliver. I'm 9 months pregnant. You know, when I think of pregnant, I think of Joe's wife and Family Guy. She's always pregnant. She's been pregnant for like 7 years. He lives like 7 seasons she lasted pregnant.
So you just squish the lumps if there's any.
Yeah. You could have just added the flour slowly. But who does that? Honestly. And if you're a wife with a husband that you've had for like 10 years, do you really undo the lumps? Just throw that shit at his ass. Oh, I like that pendejo. You know it's true. But that's love, you know. I love you like I love my brain tumor. Jingle bells. Hey, did you hear that? The stations are trying to bring joy to people in lockdown. They're gonna start playing Christmas carols.
Oh, they're going for it. Ooh, they're going for it. That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
So they're gonna play Christmas music sooner, or what? Okay, part 1.